Hey guys, this is John and welcome back to my channel. And now I'm going to show you how to manually create customers, clients, tenants in QuickBooks Online. So let's jump right in. I'm here in my QuickBooks Online account, and what I'm about to show you guys are by the way, I'm going to show you two different ways on how to manually create customers or clients, you just name it. And yeah, I'm going to show you the basic or standard one. So we can go to customer tab under above here under customer hub, and then we can go to customers. Once we are on the customers, we can create new customers on the upper right side. So click this new customer, and aside from this one, we have a lot of options. We have import customers, multiple customers at once, so we have that option also. So from here, we can fill in the complete name. Then we have company name. So let me just go ahead and create a water one. Let's see. So we have display name, email, phone number. So it doesn't really matter, but it would be okay if if you have this info. We also have address. We have here note and attachment. You can attach multiple files. Just don't go beyond 20 MB total. We have payments tab here. We have a primary payment method. No, a lot of options here. We have terms, customer type, taxes here. This customer taxable. We have open balance. For this open balance, guys, because some bookkeepers, accountants, or business owner came from other softwares, not QuickBooks. So, and then the scenario is they cannot integrate their old software to QuickBooks. So they ended up have like or had an open balance for their clients or customers, but they cannot integrate, right? So they just have to input here the open balance for that specific customer, and then we're good. And then moving forward, you can create invoices here in QuickBooks Online, right? Once done, I already input here company name. I'm going to save this one. After saving, guys, there you go. It will redirect us to this specific customer here, and we have here transaction list, and from here we can create a lot of transactions or new transactions for this specific customer, right? And if you forgot something or you want to edit the info for that customer, you can hit edit here and then input all of the information that you got. And then we also have here make inactive. So what it does is, let's say for example, this customer is inactive already to your, business. You can make this inactive, or if you have for the merge contacts, let's say for example, you have created two customers, which is like water one and then water two, but it is the same customer. You can merge the two customers, just edit the water two to water one so that it will have the same name, and then you can merge contacts. All right. Then once done, I will show you now to create a customer on a different way. All right. So you can go to invoice. Once you create an invoice, so if we search here, let's say for example, our customer is water 2. So let me search water 2. So we don't have water 2 on the software or QuickBooks Online, right? So what we need to do is we can click this add new button. So from here, we can, enter the details again, just the same thing with water 1, all those fields. We can save, and then there you go. It will pop up here as a customer. We can, you know, add some product and service. We can manage the invoice, customize payment options, a lot of different things inside QuickBooks. And now, the last thing that I want to show you guys is, let me go back to the customer hub. One thing that I want to show you guys is aside from adding a new customer, we have an option to import customers, right? So let me show you this. So from here, guys, we have an option to import multiple customers coming from other software or your Excel file, right? So what you just need to do is download this sample file and follow the guidelines, follow the instructions, and the most important thing, follow the columns to make sure that the data is not corrupted when you import that into QuickBooks Online, right? You can also select the Google Sheet here, and then that's pretty much it. Just hit next here on the bottom right corner once done, and let's go on the multiple customer. Right. Aside from this two here, new customer and import customer, we also have multiple customer. So what it does is actually it can enable you to create customer in multiple customer at once. So it's like an Excel file. So instead of going on Excel file, you can just copy and paste. Yeah, something like that. So it's very useful. It's very convenient to, businesses that has a lot of customer from time to time. Then you can select the entity type here, which is customer, create, which action, customize columns here. I don't, all right, I see. Okay, restore default. We can restore default here. We can have shortcuts. Once done, you can hit save. All right. So that's it, and very convenient and easiest way to to manually create a customer, and it's very fast once you know the in and out of QuickBooks. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. See you on the next video.